A missing or broken remote does not mean you are stuck on the wrong TV input. In this video, I will show you how to switch your TV to HDMI AV antenna or another connected source without using the original remote. Button locations and controls vary between TV brands and models, so you may need to try more than one method. Before changing the input, check where your device is connected. Look at the label beside the port, such as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, AV, or antenna. Turn on the connected device and remember the port number so you can select the correct source. The easiest method is usually the TV's physical control button. Check underneath the TV near the center logo, along the lower left or lower right edge, or behind the television near one of the bottom corners. Your TV may have several buttons, one multifunction button, or a small joystick-style controller. Press the button briefly and look for a menu on the screen. Find an option called Input, Source, External Input, Connected Devices, or an input-shaped icon. On TVs with a single button, repeated short presses may move between options, while holding the button may confirm your selection. If your TV has a joystick controller, move it in different directions to navigate and press the center to select. Open the input list and choose the port where your device is connected. You may see options such as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, AV, TV, or antenna. Some televisions switch immediately when you highlight the correct input, while others require you to confirm it. If the button only turns the TV on or off, try pressing it quickly instead of holding it. Also check whether it can move like a joystick. Some TVs have very limited physical controls, so input switching may not be available through the built-in button. Another useful option is the official mobile remote app. Samsung TVs normally use SmartThings. LG TVs use LG ThinQ, Roku TVs use the Roku mobile app, and Google TV or Android TV models can use the Google TV or Google Home Remote. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the television, open the correct app, and select your TV. Complete any pairing code or permission request shown on the screen. Once connected, use the virtual remote to open Home, Source, Input, or Connected Devices. Keep in mind that this method usually works only if the TV was already connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If the app cannot detect the television, return to the physical controls or try another method. You can also try HDMI-CEC automatic switching. Turn on the streaming device, game console, Blu-ray player, or other HDMI device and press its home or main control button. If HDMI-CEC is already enabled, the TV may automatically switch to the correct HDMI port. This feature may be called AnyNet Plus on Samsung TVs, SimpLink on LG TVs, or BraviaSync on Sony TVs. Some smart TVs may also accept a USB keyboard or mouse. Connect a wired keyboard, mouse, or wireless USB receiver to the TV's USB port. If the television recognizes it, use the arrow keys or mouse to open the Home or Settings menu and select the required input. This method is not supported by every TV. If you reach the correct input but see no signal, make sure the connected device is turned on. Confirm that the selected HDMI number matches the port being used, and firmly reconnect the cable at both ends. You can also test another HDMI port or cable if one is available. If none of these methods work, search for the TV manual using its exact model number. Some televisions only include a power button and cannot fully change inputs without a compatible controller. In that situation, the most reliable solution is a replacement remote or a universal remote that supports your TV brand and model. That's it for this video on how to change your TV input without a remote. I hope these methods help you switch to HDMI AV antenna or the source you need. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Let me know in the comments which method worked for your TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.